Both Soundcraft and Studer offer a wide range of mixing consoles for use in facilities such as houses of worship, performing arts, music venues, theaters, and tour sound. In this module, we will look at some of the key features found in the most popular offerings from both manufacturers. Since the 1970s, Soundcraft has been driving the market forward with its impressive analog consoles. Today they are continuing that trend with their expansive line of digital consoles with a wide array of features. Starting with the VI series, we'll take a look at one of their latest offerings available, the VI 7000. The VI 7000 is an impressive feat bringing together multiple technologies from other Harman brands such as BSS and Lexicon. 16 instances of the BSS DPR 901 version 2 dynamic EQ are available via the console's insert pool. Modeled after the analog unit, the DPR 901 features an under-over threshold setting, enabling the equalizer to react in either cut or boost mode to correct problems that occur only on loud or only on quiet signals. In addition to this, a BSS third octave graphic EQ modeled after the BSS 960 is available on every bus output. 8 independent stereo Lexicon multi-effects units are available, each providing 14 reverbs, 7 delays, and 8 pitch shifting effects, patchable to input channels, aux outputs, and channel inserts. If that's not enough, the VI 7000 is compatible with Soundcraft's real-time rack, bringing studio-quality effects plugins from Universal Audio. The latest Vistonics and FaderGlow interface bring new efficiency to the operator. In simplest terms, Vistonics delivers the most intuitive digital mix interface available. With graphics behind the controls that change depending on the function, the operator is left in no doubt as to what parameter is being adjusted. FaderGlow solves the problem associated with multiple fader layers. At a single glance, illuminated fader tracks and colors that match those on the Vistonics display show immediately what function a fader is controlling. Lastly, there is an expansive amount of input, output, and connection options. Utilizing the new local rack hardware boosting up to 384 channels, you'll find options such as 128 inputs and 32 stereo buses at 48,000 Hz powered by 5 DSP cards. Or when sampling at 96,000 Hz, 64 inputs and 32 stereo buses are supplied by 8 DSP cards. A 128-channel recording interface can be accessed over MADI or Dante, and many other connectivity options such as BlueLink, EtherSound, and CobraNet allow you to easily interface with other manufacturers' hardware for a high degree of applications. Now let's look at one of the SI series consoles, the SI Performer 3. The SI Performer 3 features 32 local recallable mic preamps and 8 stereo inputs, along with 2 VI-SI Connect option card slots, providing up to an additional 128 by 96 input-output paths. DMX interface and control allow you to simultaneously control the sound and lighting from a single source. A color touchscreen interface, FaderGlow, and backlit LCD screens on each fader allow the operator to intuitively provide an excellent sounding mix night after night. Rounding out the Soundcraft portion of this module, let's look at the UI series mixers. The UI 12 and 16 mixers boast 12 and 16 inputs respectively built into their Rode Rugged Stagebox rack units. With integrated Wi-Fi and Ethernet, each mixer can be controlled from the computer you carry in your pocket or the one that sits on your desk, and up to 10 devices can control the mixers simultaneously. Whether you need DBX AFS2 for feedback elimination, amplifier modeling from Digitech, or Lexicon effects buses featuring delay, reverb, and chorus, these mixers have it all plus more. If you have settings you don't want to forget, both mixers feature a snapshot recall feature. Lastly, the security lockout features allow customization of device access to only specific functions and mixes. Much like Soundcraft, Studer provides a slew of options when it comes to mixers, appropriate for broadcast and installed sound applications, including theater, performing arts, and houses of worship. We'll focus on the compact and flexible mix system, the Vista One Black Edition. Available with 32 or 22 motorized faders supporting FaderGlow and Vistonics, the Vista One Black can be expanded up to 256 channels of I/O when using the optional D21M I/O system or the Studer Compact Stage Box, providing available card slots for options such as AES-67, Dante, MADI, AES EBU, CobraNet, Dolby E Digital, and more. Using the Studer Virtual Vista Online Offline Editor or the Vista Compact Remote working in parallel to the Vista One, you'll be able to take full control from anywhere in the venue, whether it's to adjust a level or to recall a different cue event. VistaMix is a built-in auto-mixer algorithm, automatically reducing gain on unused mics while providing gain for mics which are being talked into, ensuring intelligibility while maintaining a consistent optimum level for the clearest live mix. Premium audio processing includes some of the best lexicon effects available without any additional hardware. The effects types that are available include reverb, modulation, delay, resonance, and pitch effects, which can either be inserted onto any channel or group, while the operator can assign them as mono, stereo, or even 4-channel processing blocks. The Vista One Black is also compatible with Soundcraft's Real-Time Rack, allowing you to easily use the powerful universal audio plugins in your broadcast or live environment. While this doesn't complete the list of all the features found in the Vista One Black Edition, this does conclude our brief look at the powerful mixing console.